Hi beauties, welcome to Women Hairstyles. How are you guys doing? I want you guys to please check out this haircut that is youthful and is that fresh look haircut for older women. It's always important to let a professional hairdresser guide you as to how to style your cuts, but when cut right, it will look good even after that simple wash and curl. So I want you guys to please sit down and just watch this video to the end, because we have beautiful short natural haircut for beautiful matured women. You know, short hair doesn't limit styling option that much, so adding some textured crown to your pixie is a simple but effective way for you to smarten up your cut. And one thing about today's haircut today is they are perfect for professional environments. You can see how the haircuts look so vivacious, like in the salt and peppered hair, and it's a kind of style that would take many years of your age. So this haircut has really become that byword for chic hair because it's endlessly elegant with just the right level of nonchalance. So you can see how a slight update of this old style goes a long way. Try to experiment with texture and some beautiful colors to really add that modern twist to your beautiful classic crop. So with this style in mind, you can see that they're really trendy. Shorter hairstyles for older women instantly becomes that contemporary without even being fetish. I love this natural haircut, you can see, because it's versatile and it's a hair that is so lovely and that wash and go style that every woman wants. So please guys, watch this video to the end, because we've selected about 15 beautiful short natural haircut that will take many years of your age. I really want to say a big thank you to my returning subscribers and my new subscriber. Please stay locked to Women Hairstyles for more beautiful short natural haircut coming your way in the next few hours. God bless you guys.